absolutely amazing. I never thought I could do the things I've done here, and I never thought I could be okay with failing and bombing, but I was, and I emerged. So that itself has been a great learning experience. Being in the moment, reacting to people, going along with the flow, and not always trying to dictate the moment. It's very difficult in today's day and age, but here we've been able to do all of that. So I think we're better human beings at the end of it.
Every week, 2 hours of consistent laughing. I was kind of looking up to this particular activity every Sunday. We would just it was great.
It turned out to be a really good experience. Got to learn something which is completely out of my comfort zone, and it just opened my mind to new horizons. And we got to meet amazing people here. The coach is amazing, so added a lot of new perspective.
Last 7 to 8 weeks with the group and learning and knowing improv was a great experience. This was my first rendezvous with improv, and the way Ankur conducted the workshops and everything was so seamless. It was a great introduction. It is something that's totally out of my league. Creating fun comedy on the spot scenes. It is something that I've never ever done before, and it was a new learning experience with a great group of people. So it was totally fun.
Honestly speaking, I think मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि वो जो 2 घंटे में संडे को यहाँ स्पेंड करता हूँ, as if there is some oxygen that I'm getting in these 2 hours. So it was fun, and I think I really felt as if I was welcomed not only by Ankur, who's the one who's leading this show for us, but even the participants as such. So the energy, this place, this space is very positive.
Fun while doing those specific acts, fun interacting with a lot of people, fun interacting with Ankur, and just being part of this entire group and seeing everyone perform like that was really fun.
Attracted to improv because I was attracted to the possibility of knowing myself better. And yes, in this 6 weeks I have discovered things about myself that I didn't know earlier. So this has been a very good experience.
2 things I would say. One is just being comfortable in the moment and be your natural self. And that was probably one thing. And second is how you can support your partner and build on what they're doing.
I enjoyed a lot. We started as 9 strangers, and today we are, as we speak, we are singing songs inside. So that's what improv does, and that is why I love improv so much. It fills your heart with so much of goodness, and in the journey you have fun. I mean, what more can you ask for?
Rahul, Shivani, Kriti, and Shishant. Okay, awesome. And I'm Ankur, and I'll be hosting today's show. So welcome to the improv show. Their first improv show, guys. Big! मेरा दिमाग ठीक हो गया बेटा.
चलो, नानी का दिमाग.
New hand holding choice.
चल बेटे.
New hand holding choice.
नहीं होती ना. एक और सेट मैडम, एक और सेट. Come on, you can do it, madam. Yes, hold it,
Freeze. यारा ओ यारा.
वो कभी नहीं हुआ, और फिर
पता नहीं कब होगा. मुझे लंदन जाना है. कभी भी नहीं जाने देते मुझे. मैं जा रहा
हूँ, और
कभी भी मेरे से
कभी मत कहना कि आओ आओ आओ.
चले लंदन. झूठ बोलते हो आप.
बिल्कुल झूठ बोल.
मिला है वो.
नहीं. देखो, मेरी बिल्कुल
याददाश्त खत्म
कर दी है आपने,
और अब
बिल्कुल मेरा
मन नहीं
करता है
कि मैं
कुछ भी
लंदन
करूं.
मम्मी देख, मेरी स्कर्ट पे कुछ लिखा. अरे मेरी स्कर्ट पे कुछ लिखा है. देख, एक मिनट रुको यार. मेरी स्कर्ट पे कुछ लिखा है. मेरी स्कर्ट पे कुछ लिखा है. मेरी स्कर्ट पे लिखा है, डॉम कभी रॉन्ग नहीं होता. ये डॉन की स्कर्ट है, इसका मतलब अमरीश
बाबू
पुरी।
जी डॉन कहे ना कहे,
डोंग
डोंग कहे ना कहे। ये बेटा मेरा घाघरा ले आया, मैं घाघरा पहन ही रही थी उस समय। अब बोलिए।
The world needs more love and understanding. But white तो peace का कलर होता है ना। आपको कौन सा चाहिए, हम वही चूज करेंगे।
तुमको मम्मी नहीं चाहिए?
पुरानी वाली अभी है वैसे, just to remind you.
अब देखो नई आंखें मिल जाएंगी और नई मम्मी भी मिल जाएगी।
मतलब दिखता आपको व्हाइट है, पर्सनालिटी आपकी रंगीन है। वाह!
भाई फोन अटक गया, रुक जाओ एक सेकंड। हाँ खींच रही ये आहा, ये देख क्या सेल्फी है।
सही दिख रही
इसे
यार।
कोई भी देखेगा और बोलेगा अरे ओ सांबा कितने आदमी थे।
इतना ऊंचा खड़ा होगा तो यही होगा ना। हाथ सही रख मेरे भाई, हाथ सही रख।
साले 2 जनों के साथ पूरी यहाँ पे तो सारा चौराहा आ गया, 20 लोग बैठ के आ गए फोटो में, एक फोटो में। बताओ
किसी को दिखा मत दियो, पता है लोग क्या कहेंगे ये देख के। The world needs more love and understanding. लोग भी परेशान हो जाएंगे ये देख के, उसके बाद उनमें प्यार और अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बढ़ाएगी।
कोई बात नहीं, एक और लेते हैं। अब एक दूसरा पोज मारेंगे।
ढंग का देख, गंदा नहीं, ढंग का।
पहाड़ नदी सब छोड़,
पहाड़ में
अपन दोनों आते।
बिल्कुल।
आजा आजा, स्माइल के साथ थोड़ा और भी, थोड़ा ऐसे।
अरे खींचेगा।
खींच गई ये। अब देख भाई, अब बता, अब कोई देखेगा तो क्या बोलेगा? किसी का खुद घर शीशे का हो तो ऐसी।
So it feels super awesome. Like it feels पूरा दिमाग खुल गया है. I would love to see people laugh again to whatever random things we did, and वो laugh सुन के इतना अच्छा लगा था, and seeing people to hear us and appreciate that felt super amazing.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है that everybody should do improv because इसके जो basics है ना बहुत कमाल है. It's just about listening to the other person and being in the moment.
चलते चलते मेरे